Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future with our ultimate review of the best gadgets of 2025. Get ready for a tech revolution. In the ever-evolving world of technology, 2025 promises some groundbreaking gadgets that will redefine our daily lives. Let's explore the top picks that you won't want to miss. First up is the Smart Home Assistant 2.0. This gadget not only controls your smart home devices, but also learns your habits to optimize energy use. Imagine a home that adjusts lighting and temperature automatically based on your preferences. Next, we have the Foldable Smartphone X. With a stunning display that folds seamlessly, this device is perfect for multitaskers. You can easily switch from phone mode to tablet mode, making it ideal for both work and play. Coming in at number 3 is the Health Tracker Pro. This wearable not only monitors your heart rate and activity levels, but also provides real-time feedback on your mental well-being. It's like having a personal health coach on your wrist. At number 4, we introduce the VR Experience 2025. With ultra-high-definition graphics and a library of immersive experiences, this headset will transport you to new worlds. Whether you're gaming or exploring virtual landscapes, the possibilities are endless. And last but not least, check out the EcoCharge Solar Charger. This portable gadget harnesses solar energy to keep your devices powered on the go. Perfect for outdoor adventures, it's sustainable tech at its finest. There you have it! These are the must-have gadgets of 2025 that are set to revolutionize our lives. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews.